DJ Delz.
Funko Pop addicts, what's good? It's your boy DJ Delz back with a brand new review on Chucky on cart. This pop I've seen out of the box already and it is awesome. At first I was like, I don't know about it, but then I seen it out of the box and I was like, yo, thing is kind of gruesome. So before we get into it, the out of the box review, bang that thumbs up button for that and subscribe if you're new, and let's free Chucky from the box. So here we go with a look at Chucky out of the box. Face really beat up, kind of bruised up, you can see by the eye. Great paint, like the way it's shadowed and bruised. You got some blood up top on the forehead and on the nose, and you got him on that cart because of the fact that, look at that, man. His damn body was ripped in half, and now he's on the cart, still trying to kill. He is determined, focused. Great details. Look at that. I mean, just gross. Love it, though. There's a look at his other side. I love how you see his hand pushing the cart. I mean, great execution on this Funko Pop. As I said, at first I was thinking about maybe passing on it because it's such a small pop, but it's got great detail, so I think it is worth it. I will link this in the description box below. Do not sleep on it. It is a Hot Topic exclusive, and if the link doesn't take you exactly to the page, it should. Just search Chucky when you get to it, and you should be good to go. I did review the FYE exclusive of Michael Myers. Definitely check that out. There is some of my other horror Funko Pops right there. There's my Jason and Freddy 8-bit NES versions. I should have a review up very shortly of the Venomized Loki, and reviews that I have up already is I got her up right there. I take the wig off so you get to see that whole detailed look. I did do the Invisible Man. I have to do this one. I did do this one. And there's just so many Funko Pops that I shot videos of in the past couple of weeks. I did review this one, which is incredible, from Harry Potter. It's such a cool pop because the actual head wrap comes off and it just looks sick. You gotta watch that review. I'll try to put pop-ups on the screen. Hopefully you've seen a couple. And be on the lookout. There's a lot of restocks going on for this Hulk, the 10-inch Hulk. Some people have been able to catch them for under retail. I caught one for $8.99, and then I got another one for $20.99. But I do have friends like my dude Henry who paid retail. But still, I mean, it's an awesome pop even to pay retail for. So definitely check out your targets. And I will link in the description box below a ton of Funko Pop that I think you guys want to lock in. There's so many Funko Pop to buy, to pre-order, guaranteed mint condition. Look in the description box below. And I'm telling you all now, do not sleep on this Biggie Funko Pop. If you subscribe to my channel, you know, I just want you all to understand that this one later on, you're going to be annoyed that you passed on this if you did. So get yourself the Funko Pop of Biggie. That will be linked in the description box. Both of them will be in that one link. Leave your comment. Let me know your favorite Chucky moments. And if you're not into Chucky and you just are watching the video, just let me know your favorite Halloween movie since we're getting close to Halloween. Leave that in the comments. Please leave a comment because it really helps my channel. YouTube gathers all that information and will recommend my video to more people. So if you haven't hit the thumbs up also, please do so for the Funko community. Let's show YouTube that Funko Pop is major out there. This is a major culture. And let's try to get this channel to 100,000 subscribers worldwide. Thanks for tuning in. Much love. Oh gosh, I love this damn Yoda Pop. We out of here.